just dump it like this.
आणि हा वाटेल खूप
नाही. So, once you have it, now, what is this? Yes, okay, this is going to be the property show.
बाकीचे ना
अरे मायान काय म्हटलं बाकीच्या कोण ऐकता
वाटले ना असं म्हण
तुम्ही त्यात करता
किती करता कोण येता पुढे
अरे कोण किती तुम्ही त्यात करता
नका
पुढे-
करू
पुढे
नका
धावता.
प्रत्येक फावटी तुका सांगू नाही पुढे धावा
किती
नका.
सांगू मला सांगा तुम्ही धावा ना पुढे पुढे
आता हा मुद्दाम रावतलो होय माहिती
म्हाका किती प्रॉब्लेम हा मुद्दाम रावन आला
सर तुमकां एक क्वेश्चन आता जो ड्रायव्ह चालू आहा सद्याक सर हो आता ड्रायव्ह सध्या चालू आसा पूण म्हाका टॅक्सी स्टँडा वयले आता हो जे पार्किंग एक्झॅक्ट हे पार्किंग कोणाची आणि कोणे पार्क करूंक जाय ह्यो गाडयो हा कोणाचे पार्किंग हे आता टॅक्सी स्टँडा वयले नाही पूण समस्या ब्रीफ करा न्हू कित्याक आमी पळयला की एका त्यो 25-30 गाडयो हांगासर पार्क केल्यो वयता लोकांनी पार्क करपाच्यो वा तेंच्यांनी पार्क करपाच्यो ह्यो गाडयो
Just take up and share it afterwards. Just take a photograph so whatever. We'll look at it. These are the
सर माय क्वेश्चन वॉज दॅट ओनली जेन्ना तुम्ही दाखयता वो कंप्लेन करता तेन्नाच हे दिसता
The purpose of this activity
Yes.
is to record why he has not done. That is a different
But
issue.
do you think the concerned authority and the Maksa municipality they are closing their eyes by looking also all these
There
things?
has to be like we have beat police. They have to demarcate a beat person. Now we don't know whether that system is being followed. Or the police are to beat police as I am not sure whether municipality has that system. That person will go around and see what is happening in that area.
झाडा वाढल्या नो ते फुटपाथची चलन
And to काढले ती photo. जेन्ना consumer rights चा program आयिल्लो न्हू रेसा I could not watch this. So we'll just proceed now.
Yes.
What I'm very important. Maybe after 1 week, this type of thing. Now, maintenance. See, we will make a thing with Kadapa. No, what I'm saying, we got demarcation. What is theirs and what is yours? Well, and then based on that, let us do the cleaning process. Because otherwise what's happening?
ऑलवेज ते ट्रायंग टू गो फास्ट ते सिग्नला पळयना झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पळयना आतां तूं हांगा उबो रावशीत न्ही यू फायंड 100 व्हेकल्स क्रॉसिंग द झेब्रा लायन दे नेवर क्रॉस स्टॉपिंग बिफोर द झेब्रा लायन आनी एकदां म्हाका हांव असो उबो आसलोलो तर आम्ही गाडी मारली हांगूर सेम स्पॉट आहा
सो झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पळयनात ते
झेब्रा गेलो पळयना झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग ते झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पळयना ते ओबे करिना रूल चडशे सो हांव पळयता आरटीओ बरें इनिशिएटीव घेतला हे काम करपाक आनी गव्हर्मेंटान मातशें बरें इनिशिएटीव घेतलें सोशल म्हाका ऑल गोवा अशें करचें आनी स्पेशली आरटीओ ज्यो लायसनां इश्यू करता जर टेस्ट ड्रायव्हिंग घेता तांकां स्ट्रिक्टली लावंक जाय बिकॉज आमी पळयता तांकां थंयच रूल शिकना ड्रायव्हिंग स्कूल आसा प्रॉपरली
ये भाऊ कितें भाऊ सांगा
आता सिग्नल पडला असताना हांगासून गाडयो पास जातात तूं फुड्यान आसतना
ओके
पयलें बरें डिसिप्लीन आनी टू व्हिलरांक तर हेच नासता
पळयत ना
कांयच पळयना
आनी मागीर पेडेस्ट्रियन
कितें जातलें एक दोन दीस टीव्हीचेर प्रोग्राम दाखय आनी तेजेर दाखयता मरे फिनिश सीएमाक बायल सुद्दां घेतलेले तेरे म्हाजे मागल्या कांयच जावचें ना
पेडेस्ट्रियन जर झेब्रा क्रॉसिंग वयल्यान चलता जाल्यार तो
एवरी तुमचा रूल हो नाला दितलो तो मातसो रावता तो मागीर अंडरग्राउंड वाय दिले की
ओके
हाय दे आर लॅकिंग इन गोवा स्पेशली हे आमच्याच गोंयानूच कित्याक जाणा सिग्नलाचें कित्याक तें जालें कितें बाबा 10 रुपया घे सायबा आतांच पळय मरे हांगा सिग्नल पडला जाल्यार तो गाडयो
चलता पळयना
कितें फायदो
You cannot just dump it like this.
आणि हा वाटेन खूप
ना ना कितें आसा पळय आमी तो ड्रायव्ह पणजे येतला न्हू 16 तारखेक आतां मिटींग दवरल्या परवा ऑल एजन्सीज हॅव बीन कॉल्ड सो दे आर गोइंग टू रिमूव टेंडर फॉर पे पार्किंग सो हो विशय म्हापशा येतलो जो पे पार्किंग घेता न्हू टेंडर ही हॅज टू मेंटेन द सी इफ वन व्हेकल इज केप्ट फॉर 1 वीक दॅट स्लॉट इज ब्लॉक न्हू
सर आता सर हांगासर तुमी कितले हे अबॅन्डन्ड गाडयो पळयल्यो पळय
There are no, we'll have to identify. See what happens. How you, if a vehicle is kept more than 24 hours in that particular spot continuously, then we send a number to them for verification. So that we have done in KTC bus stand, Panjim. Okay. And now once this will be declared, once this will be declared as a pay parking area and a contractor will be given, that same thing will apply to you. Done very minimal inspection come. The idea was basically to identify what are the grey areas where various agencies are supposed to act. Now it is very clear. For example, you take the bus stand. It is an area which is partly municipality, partly Kadamba. We went on the opposite side where the Braganza complex is there. There you can see it is a municipality, but also the question it comes under TCB. So what we are going to do is whatever our findings today, including the proposed pay parking area at the taxi stand, we will identify all these issues, put it up for the monthly meeting which will happen now in the month of May, and we will ask collector to issue a fresh notification of all the agencies to submit their replies. See, what is the problem here? As first of all, even in this bus stand, the demarcation and exact areas, even you all have very well highlighted the drinking issue and all that. You can see the demarcation is not there. There is no boundary wall, nor there is marking. Even here you can see. So in our last team, only one no parking is there. There all it is computer printout. So this cannot happen. Secondly, that authority has to sign below that. When I say no parking, if it is KTC, he has to put the authority who is putting that no parking sign. So one of the problems here is that public also should be very clear where I can park, where I cannot park. Secondly, we have seen today now the entry points to this from the market into the bus stand. All those small passages are there. First of all, of course, it is uneven that we have taken note. But lot of these on-the-spot vendors are coming, putting belts, putting watches, all sorts of things. Now, we will also recommend that there has to be a specific municipal inspector notified for this area, and he will be responsible. So that process we will get done to collector's office. Secondly, whether he has paid any support to anyone, let him produce the receipt. So point here is that many of these things, there is no SOP. So we will recommend to at the meeting were chaired by collector, that these are the proposals, and in the next inspection that will happen, we will include elections department, we will include PWD, and we will include KTC. Because what happens here on the spot today, there are many things. The Director of Transport and Traffic Police officials have no jurisdiction to take action. But the concerned agencies like TCP, DMA, our electricity department and PWD, they have jurisdiction. So definitely this will be taken up from us. That
Sir,
I would
for
like to
today's drive,
hear.
खंयची concerned authorities actually present?
See, today we had asked for minimum participation. That is Director of Transport, Traffic Police, District Police, Mamledar's office and municipality. Okay, so letters have gone to them. So they, whatever the findings we will be submitting to them, it will be considered the findings of all the agencies who are supposed to be present today. That's how we will do it with photographic capabilities.
सायच्या ड्रायव्हरबद्दल
Yeah, so today basically was a drive in honor of the 8th UN Road Safety Week, which gives importance to safety of pedestrians and cyclists. Monday we did a drive in Tanjung, today we are doing a drive in Mapsa, along with other departments like Goa Can, Traffic Police, Mapsa Municipality. So we have gone around the bus stop and identified a few points wherein pedestrians are getting affected. Challans are being issued for people who have parked on pavements. Then we have gone to the back here. We have also noticed a lot of rental bikes and parked in the municipality area, which again is illegal. We found so many of them. So today we have not issued any challans, but we are going to do a special drive. We have done this in the past. We have issued a special drive. We have removed the vehicles. They appear to have come back again. So this time we are going to keep a date and we are going to have a special drive only for these rental bikes parked in the city and not at their place of business. And we'll take further necessary action as per the law. So today the basic drive was just to make awareness of pedestrian safety.
सर आरटीओचं ऑफिसूच आसा ऑफिसाच्या समोरच जो नो पार्किंग एरिया आसा थंय गाडयो पार्क करता आयज जी मोहीम आसा म्हणून तांकां चलन दिलें आता ताचेर कारवाई पूण सगळींच हो प्रकार घडलेलो आसा एक गजाल दुसरी गोष्ट आरटीओच्या तोंडा फुडें इन एंट्रन्स आतां बाकीचे कडेन तुमी सगळे कडेन गेले तशें एंट्रन्सांत जे कोण काही दलाल बसलेले आसा एक फॉर्म म्हणटा तशें करपाक 200 रुपया 300 रुपया हेंचेर कारवाई कित्याक जायना हो पयसो खंय वयता कोण घेता
Start with how I am from enforcement. I am not from Mapsa, I am posted to enforcement. Now my duty is to check traffic and violation of traffic operators, two-wheelers and four-wheelers violating traffic laws. And that becomes clarified with the respective authority. But Anchi drive is for the two-wheeler and four-wheeler, but block करता दिवसार आम्ही रेग्युलर इश्यू करता आमच्या and they want that now, but regularly there are new people coming and disobeying the law. So as and when we find them, we issue them charges.
सर एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे ह्यो ज्यो भटी आहा न्हू तेंचे जे हॉर्न आहा एअर हॉर्न म्हणजे खूप त्रास जाता लोकांक तेजे मातशें कितें तुमी एक्शन
Yeah. There is a law which are not allowed to put air horns, and we are being challenged. एक special drive करता just to check wall and put air horns and we will issue charges.
आनी दुसरें सर आतां ज्यो चडश्यो कदंबा भटी आमी पळयता न्हू काळो तो धुवर आहा न्हू धुवर तांचो चड येता कदंबाचो चड येता चडाव बी पोल्युशन जाता
सगळे check करून आम्ही letter करता कदंबा to verify and make sure that the vehicles are not polluted.
It takes 2 good.